There's nothing better than a hearty soup on a cold winter day. Meatball soup is great because it's filling and warms you up from the inside out. How hard is it to make the meatballs from scratch? Actually, it's quite easy. I like to make these with ground pork, and you have to add salt and pepper. Then you need a medium cooking onion. Chop the onion with a knife or food processor, then add it to the bowl with ground meat. Next, you need an egg. Add it to the mix. I'm adding basmati rice, soaked in water for an hour, to get the maximum grain length. Last but not least, half cup of breadcrumbs, and half cup of water. If you wish, you can use milk instead of water too. All the ingredients are in the bowl. Now, you have to mix everything thoroughly. Scoop equal portions of the meat mixture and form the meatballs in your hands. I'm using a measuring tablespoon to make the meatballs. They are approximately 2 tablespoons of meat each, and I got 28 meatballs in total. Now you can drop them in your soup and boil them with the rest of the vegetables. Boil them with the soup for 45 minutes. In this time, add the final spices and herbs. Then, enjoy!